Hi everyone, welcome to the configuration video for the Masibus Make GPS Master Clock model MC-1. In this video, we will explain how a user can configure the NTP ports of the MC-1 product using the Telnet client. At the rear side of the MC-1, we have connected the Ethernet port labeled NTP1 from our laptop to the GPS Master Clock. Now I will guide you further on how we can configure this NTP1 port through the Telnet client in Windows. But before that, please ensure that your system's network settings are within the same subnet or domain as the default or pre-configured IP address of NTP port for the GPS Master Clock. Otherwise, communication cannot be established. Sometimes our customer forgets the IP address that they might have configured earlier, okay? In that case, what you need to do is just connect the Ethernet cable with this PC system and go to this folder which we have downloaded earlier for the NetTsync software. Okay, in this folder you will find the IP configured, means IP Finder folder, okay? In IP Finder you will find TCP IP Discover. Just right-click on this TCP IP Discover and open with Java. So far, we have explored how a user can establish a connection between the GPS master, clock, and a PC system. Additionally, we've covered how to get the IP address in case we forgot the IP address of the NTP port, simply by right-clicking on the IP Discover utility. So now we're going to see how the IP address can be configured. Okay, now let's move further to see the steps to configure the IP address. So now we will see how the IP address can be configured. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you the step to configure the IP address of the NTP port of the GPS Master Clock. So the IP address can be configured by using the Telnet client. So the first step is to open CMD command. In CMD, you need to type Telnet and press enter. So here I am getting the error like Telnet is not recognized as an internal or external command. Many of our customers are facing this error also. So this is due to Telnet client being disabled, which should be enabled before you start to use it. So in this case, we have to search for turn Windows features on or off. Here you can see the Windows features, the list of Windows features. So in this list, you will find Telnet client, which should be enabled by just checking this box of Telnet client. And press OK. It will start to enable the Telnet client for your further use. All right, Windows completed the requested changes. It has been done. Close this window. Again, we have to go to CMD and just type telnet 192.168.100.153. That is the default IP of our NTP port. Okay, press enter. Yes, so this is the Masibus Telnet server window where it will ask for login name and password. All right, login name is Masibus in small letters, followed by enter, and the password is the same, Masibus in small letters. After entering the credentials, you will have 3 messages. Press Q to log out, press H for help, press CC for current configuration. I am going to see the current configuration by using the CC command. So these are the present settings of our NTP port. If the customer wants to configure the IP address, mask, and gateway, in that case, you need to type H for help. Here, a list of commands is there. So in that case, I will type first mask. I will change the mask. Okay, it will ask to confirm, means to save the changes, press Y, else press N. Okay, all right, again, CC, yes, the mask has been changed. Now again, H for help, I will type GTY to configure the gateway, enter. Okay, GTY, 192.168.100.125, enter. Yes, press Y to save the setting. CC, yes, our gateway has been changed. In last, I will change the IP address with command IP. 192.168.100.154, enter. Press Y to save the setting. So since the IP address has been configured, now I need to check the same by using ping command. Ping 192.168.100.154. Yes, the IP address has been changed. So I have explained to you how you can configure the IP address of the NTP port. This is the way you can configure the IP address, mask, and gateway. All these network settings can be done by using Telnet client. This can be done in our Masibus Make GPS master clock like model number MC-1, MC-1-DE, then MC-1-DH. In all these models, you can configure the IP address by using Telnet client. I hope after watching this video, you will be able to configure the NTP ports of the MC-1 product by using the Telnet client without any problem. In case of any query, please contact our support team, or you may write to us at support@masibus.com. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.